Welcome back to Factory Automation Future, where we explore the incredible engineering behind the food that arrives on your dinner table. Today, we are diving deep into the fascinating industrial journey of the Cremini mushroom, a variety known for its rich flavor. It all begins here, in these massive, climate-controlled greenhouses, where humidity and temperature are monitored constantly to ensure perfect growth conditions. Water is the lifeblood of fungi, and automated misting systems provide the exact amount of hydration needed for these mushrooms to thrive. The growth cycle is incredibly rapid, requiring precise timing for harvest to ensure the mushrooms reach the optimal size and texture. Human expertise works alongside technology, as specialists regularly check the substrate composition to guarantee the nutrients are balanced for maximum yield. Harvesting is a delicate process that often combines manual dexterity with automated aids to prevent bruising the sensitive skin of mushrooms. Once harvested, these mushrooms are immediately placed onto automated vehicles that transport them swiftly to the processing facility for further handling. Speed is essential in this industry, so refrigerated trucks are always waiting to transport the fresh harvest to the processing plant. Upon arrival, the cold chain is strictly maintained to preserve freshness, ensuring the mushrooms remain firm and flavorful for the consumer. Electric forklifts move the pallets efficiently into the intake zone, where the industrial processing journey of the Cremini mushroom truly begins. The raw mushrooms are gently poured into large hoppers that feed the initial conveyor belts, starting a continuous flow of production. Vibrating conveyors help to spread the product evenly, preventing jams, and ensuring that subsequent machines can handle the volume effectively. At this stage, the mushrooms still retain parts of their root systems and soil, which must be removed before further cleaning. High-precision blades trim the root ends instantly, separating the usable mushroom from the organic waste that will be composted later. The waste material is immediately separated and diverted, keeping the main production line clean and focused solely on the high-quality product. This gentle tumbling action helps to loosen any remaining loose soil particles before the mushrooms enter the intensive washing stages ahead. Air blowers are utilized to remove dry debris, reducing the load on the water washing system and saving resources efficiently. Now the mushrooms enter the washing tunnel, a critical zone where hygiene standards are maintained at the absolute highest possible level. The water pressure here is carefully calibrated to be strong enough to clean, but gentle enough to preserve the mushroom's integrity. Bubbling water tanks gently rotate the mushrooms, ensuring that water reaches every part of the cap and stem for thorough cleaning. As they emerge from the bath, a mesh belt allows excess water to drain away quickly, preparing them for the drying phase. Air knives strip moisture from the surface instantly, which is crucial because excess water can shorten the shelf life of mushrooms. Despite automation, human eyes still play a role in quality control, spotting any issues that might be unusual or complex. We now move to the sorting section, a massive network of conveyors designed to categorize thousands of mushrooms every single minute. Advanced optical sensors scan the geometry and surface of every mushroom, creating a digital profile for immediate analysis by the computer. The system processes this data in milliseconds, determining the grade of each mushroom based on its size, shape, and color uniformity. Any mushroom that does not meet the premium standards is instantly diverted to a secondary line for different processing applications. These secondary mushrooms are perfectly edible, but visually imperfect, making them ideal candidates for slicing or use in soups and sauces. The premium mushrooms, visually flawless and uniform, continue their journey to be packaged whole for retail sale in supermarkets. Food safety is paramount, so every batch passes through sensitive metal detectors to ensure that no foreign contaminants are present. Mechanical graders also assist by allowing smaller mushrooms to drop through specific holes, physically separating them by diameter very efficiently. The smaller button mushrooms are collected separately, often favored for pickling or specific culinary dishes that require bite-sized fungi. Meanwhile, the medium and large varieties continue forward, destined for different packaging formats that showcase their impressive size and texture. Now we observe the slicing station, where high-speed rotary blades are employed to create perfectly uniform mushroom slices in seconds. Alignment is crucial here. Guides ensure the mushrooms enter the blades at the correct angle to produce consistent vertical slices. The precision of these blades is remarkable, ensuring that every single slice has the exact same thickness for even cooking. Despite the speed of the operation, the delicate structure of the mushroom slices is preserved, ready for immediate packaging. The volume of production here is staggering, with thousands of slices produced every minute to meet the high market demand. We now move to the packaging phase, where multi-head weighers calculate the perfect combination of mushrooms to meet the target weight. Automated dispensers place empty trays onto the line with rhythmic precision, ready to receive their portion of fresh Cremini mushrooms. The weighed portions are dropped swiftly into the trays, filling them to the exact gram required by retail standards. A gentle shake settles the product within the tray, ensuring a flat surface that allows the plastic film to seal correctly. The wrapping machine applies a breathable plastic film, which is essential for allowing the mushrooms to respire while staying clean. Heat bars seal the package instantly, creating a hygienic barrier that protects the product from contamination during transport and display. High-speed labelers apply branding and nutritional information with pinpoint accuracy, completing the retail look of the final product. Traceability is key, so every package is printed with a batch code and expiration date for safety and inventory management. Robotic arms take over the heavy lifting, stacking the finished trays into cardboard boxes with speed and consistency humans cannot match. Once the boxes are filled and sealed, they are conveyed to the final staging area to be prepared for bulk shipping. Heavy-duty robots stack the boxes onto pallets in a specific interlocking pattern to ensure stability during long-distance truck transport. The entire pallet is wrapped in stretch film, securing the load and providing an extra layer of protection against the environment. Finally, the finished pallets are moved immediately into a cold storage facility to maintain the cold chain until delivery time. Temperature monitoring systems ensure the environment stays within a precise range, significantly extending the freshness of these delicate mushrooms. This massive inventory is rotated constantly, ensuring that the mushrooms shipping out are always as fresh as possible for customers. Outside, the logistics fleet is ready to distribute these products to supermarkets and restaurants across the country and beyond. From this high-tech factory, these mushrooms will eventually become the star ingredient in delicious meals enjoyed by millions of people. The efficiency of this facility demonstrates how modern automation has revolutionized the way we grow, process, and distribute fresh food. Quality is the ultimate goal, and the combination of nature's biology with human engineering delivers a truly superior product. Automation not only increases speed, but also significantly reduces waste, making the entire food supply chain more sustainable and efficient. The transformation from a soil-covered fungus to a clean, ready-to-eat product is a testament to the power of processing technology. Walking along the line, one can truly appreciate the rhythm and synchronization of the various machines working in perfect harmony. Even the smallest details, like label application, are handled with robotic precision to ensure every package looks professional and uniform. Gravity conveyors use simple physics to move products without energy, a smart design choice that saves power within the factory. Behind the scenes, skilled technicians monitor the equipment constantly, ensuring that downtime is minimized and production targets are always met. Proper lighting is essential for both the human workers and the optical sensors that constantly monitor the product quality flow. The end result of this industrial process is a versatile ingredient that adds depth and savory flavor to countless recipes. Sustainability is a priority, with advanced filtration systems recycling the washing water to minimize the environmental footprint of the facility. Even the waste products like roots and stems are repurposed as compost, creating a closed-loop agricultural cycle. As the day ends, the factory continues to operate, a beacon of productivity that never sleeps in order to feed us. The facility often runs 24 hours a day, with shifts of workers ensuring the machines keep processing the harvest continuously. This continuous operation is necessary to handle the massive volume of perishable mushrooms that arrive from the farms every day. Centralized control panels allow operators to fine-tune every aspect of the production line with just a few touches of a screen. Even the logistics robots are self-sufficient, automatically finding charging stations to ensure they are always ready to move materials. Innovation in conveyor design allows cameras to inspect the product from all angles, including the bottom, for total quality assurance. A final rinse in chilled water helps to lower the core temperature of the mushroom, preparing it for the cold chain. Rapid cooling technology locks in freshness and texture, preventing the mushrooms from maturing further after they have been harvested. Random sampling is a standard procedure where finished packs are opened and checked to verify the accuracy of the automated systems. In the lab, samples are tested for firmness, ensuring that the texture meets the strict standards expected by premium retailers. Microbiological testing provides an invisible layer of safety, guaranteeing that the food is free from harmful bacteria or pathogens. The machinery is versatile and can be adjusted to produce different slice thicknesses depending on the specific order requirements. Some mushrooms are diverted to drying ovens, creating dehydrated products that have a long shelf life and concentrated flavor profile. These dried mushrooms are popular in soups and risottos, offering a convenient way to store fungi for long periods. The packaging for dried mushrooms is different, often using resealable pouches to keep moisture out and preserve the crisp texture. Retail-ready packaging is also prepared here, where trays are placed into boxes that can be put directly onto supermarket shelves. High-bay automated warehouses maximize storage density, using computer-controlled cranes to retrieve and store pallets with incredible speed and accuracy. Advanced software tracks every pallet's location and age, ensuring a first-in, first-out system that minimizes food waste effectively. Scanning barcodes at every step creates a digital trail that allows the factory to track the product's entire history. Regular sanitation cycles are critical, where the entire line is foamed and rinsed to maintain the sterile processing environment. Stainless steel is the material of choice because it is durable, easy to clean, and resistant to corrosion and bacteria. Once sanitized, the production line roars back to life, ready to process the next batch of fresh Cremini mushrooms. The continuous influx of raw material is essential to keep these high-capacity machines running at their optimal efficiency levels. Bucket elevators gently lift the mushrooms to higher levels, allowing gravity to assist in moving them through the subsequent stages. From above, the factory floor looks like a complex highway system designed to transport the product efficiently from start to finish. Color sorters are particularly effective at spotting bruised or discolored mushrooms, ensuring only the most visually appealing ones are packed. Quality control is rigorous, and any product that does not meet the strict visual criteria is immediately removed from the line. The survivors of this rigorous selection process are the best of the best, ready to represent the brand in stores. Occasionally, workers will adjust the arrangement of mushrooms in the trays to ensure they look attractive to the customer. Promotional stickers or recipe ideas can also be applied automatically, adding value and marketing appeal to the final retail package. A final check weigher verifies the gross weight of the sealed package, rejecting any that do not meet the legal requirements. Rejected trays are often corrected manually by adding a small amount of product, minimizing waste while ensuring compliance with regulations. Spiral conveyors provide a space-saving solution to lower the products gently to the ground floor for final boxing and palletizing. Carton erectors automatically form flat cardboard sheets into sturdy boxes, ready to be filled with the finished mushroom trays. Hot melt glue is applied to seal the boxes securely, a fast and strong method that replaces traditional plastic tape. Direct printing on the boxes eliminates the need for extra labels, streamlining the process and reducing material costs significantly. Automatic pallet dispensers ensure a constant supply of empty pallets, preventing any bottlenecks at the end of the production line. Vacuum grippers allow the robot to handle the boxes gently but firmly, placing them with millimeter precision onto the stack. Slip sheets are inserted between layers to stabilize the stack, preventing the boxes from sliding during the transport process. The fully loaded pallets, weighing hundreds of kilograms, move effortlessly on heavy-duty conveyors towards the final wrapping station. From above, we can see how the wrapping machine secures the load, ensuring it arrives at the supermarket in perfect condition. Skilled forklift drivers are the final link in the factory chain, moving the finished goods to the shipping area. High-speed doors minimize the loss of cold air, maintaining the energy efficiency of the temperature-controlled storage environment. The scale of the storage facility is impressive, holding enough stock to supply major retail chains across the entire region. Inventory management is a constant process, ensuring that stock levels are accurate and that the oldest stock is shipped first. Large semi-trucks arrive daily to collect the goods, connecting this production hub with distribution centers hundreds of miles away. Hydraulic dock levelers create a safe bridge between the warehouse floor and the truck, allowing for rapid and safe loading. Electric pallet jacks are used to load the trailers efficiently, maximizing the use of space within the refrigerated container. Digital paperwork streamlines the shipping process, reducing errors and providing instant confirmation that the goods have been dispatched. Once loaded, the truck is sealed for security, ensuring the cargo remains untouched until it reaches its final destination. The truck departs, carrying the fresh Cremini mushrooms on the next leg of their journey to your local grocery store. At the supermarket, the mushrooms are stocked in the refrigerated section, ready for customers to select for their weekly meals. Customers can trust the quality of these mushrooms, knowing they have been handled with the utmost care and advanced technology. In the kitchen, these versatile mushrooms are easy to prepare, requiring only a quick rinse or wipe before they are cooked. Their firm texture makes them a joy to slice, and they hold their shape beautifully even when cooked at high temperatures. Sautéed with a little garlic and butter, Cremini mushrooms release a savory aroma that is truly hard to resist. They are the perfect accompaniment to steak, or as the main ingredient in a rich, creamy soup or pasta sauce. Whether on a pizza or in a salad, Cremini mushrooms add a nutritional boost and a depth of flavor to any dish. Beyond flavor, they are a nutritional powerhouse, packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support a healthy lifestyle. Let's take one final look back at the incredible journey these mushrooms have taken, from the soil to the shelf. The future of mushroom farming looks even more automated, with AI and robotics promising to further revolutionize this ancient agricultural practice. Sustainable energy sources like solar power are increasingly powering these factories, reducing the carbon footprint of industrial food production. But behind every machine and robot, there is a dedicated team of people working hard to ensure quality and safety. While wild mushrooms are a seasonal treat, industrial farming allows us to enjoy these delicious fungi all year round, affordably. The production line never truly stops, a testament to the insatiable global demand for nutritious and convenient food options. Branding and packaging play a huge role in marketing, but ultimately, it is the quality of the product that keeps customers returning. Simple, earthy, and delicious, the Cremini mushroom is a humble ingredient that has been elevated by modern industrial ingenuity. These facilities often sit in rural areas, bridging the gap between the agricultural heartlands and the urban centers they serve. Many of these factories process multiple varieties, using the same advanced equipment to handle white-button mushrooms and portobellos as well. Hygiene protocols are strictly enforced for all personnel, ensuring that the human element does not introduce any contamination risks. The air inside the facility is constantly filtered and conditioned, preventing airborne spores or dust from settling on the products. Constant software updates keep the machines running at peak performance, adapting to new requirements and improving energy efficiency over time. Sensors are the eyes of the factory, providing the data that allows the central computer to orchestrate this complex mechanical ballet. Reliable mechanical engineering ensures that these systems can run for thousands of hours with minimal maintenance or failure. From the farm to the factory and finally to the feast, the journey of the Cremini mushroom is truly remarkable. We have seen the care in cultivation, the precision in processing, and the speed in distribution that defines this industry. Technology has enabled us to enjoy fresh, high-quality produce at a scale that was unimaginable just a few decades ago. If you enjoyed this deep dive into mushroom processing, please consider liking this video and sharing it with your friends. We would love to hear your thoughts in the comments section below. What other food factories would you like us to visit? Stay tuned for our upcoming videos, where we will explore even more amazing automated manufacturing processes from around the world. Factory Automation Future is dedicated to bringing you the most satisfying and educational industrial content on the web today. Thank you so much for watching Factory Automation Future. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. See you next time.